Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is April 24 and the chart of the day today is the FTSE. This is the UK index. We can see right here we ended with 3 in the minor degree, with 4 ended here as an APC. Then the index has already broken above the peak again. That will suggest that this pullback is confirmed to be complete, right? Now, by the way, this pullback here is the same pullback that you saw in other world indices, like in the S&P 500, in the Dow, and so on and so forth, right? Now, other indices have not actually broken to new high yet above the initial peak, but I mean, not all indices have the exact same structure. You can see the pullback here was minimal compared to the pullback in the US indices, especially if you look at the Nasdaq and the ES, the Russell. The pullback was definitely a lot steeper than this one. But the fact this one broke to new high suggests this cycle is over. So the cycle in other world indices, the pullback is also over. Now, whether the other world indices will break to new high or not, that remains to be seen. But we are looking at FTSE right now, and what we can see right here is that this structure right now, it doesn't look complete as a 5 wave. So you can see a clear extension on the 3rd wave, but I don't see wave 5 yet. So we are looking for more upside, at the least at the bare minimum, right? I mean, just very bare minimum, we should be complete. We should have a complete 5 waves up from here, from the low here. Now, if there is any big changes, so for example this 1 2 3 4 5, instead of ending 1 of 5, that could be ending the entire wave 5. I mean, that's another option, but again, as looking from probability point of view, we should be looking for at minimum another leg up to finish 5 waves up from the lows. Now, in the shorter cycle, either wave 4 ended here, or we can do a bigger double correction like this, 1 2 3, right, ending here. So either way, like I said, it seems to me more likely than not we should be at least seeing one more leg higher, whether it goes higher from here or whether it does a double before it goes higher from here. So that's the idea here. Okay, now if I zoom out a little bit and focusing on the minor degree 3 and 4, I'm gonna go to the daily time frame, right, and that's your 3 and 4, the same location as what we saw here in the 60 minutes time frame on the daily. So that's your 1 and 2, right? And we're looking for a 5 waves up. Now, like I said, in the alternate scenario, and that will be already ending five waves instead of ending 1 or 5. But that seems to be a little bit too shallow, too short. If you compare the leg higher here versus here, it looks too short right now. So that's why there's a possibility this 2 can extend into like a 5 waves like this before we end with 5, to be a little bit more similar in the distribution and time with this wave 1. Okay, now you can also see over here that FTSE has actually broken to new high. I mean, if you look at it from this low 2020 COVID-19, the recent breakout or rally actually makes a new high again. So it continues to make a high, and just recently not only just broken above 3 but also broke above this previous peak here on the February 2023. So if you only look at it from this perspective of this rally here, right, this rally here, then it looks to me it is possible that the index is doing some sort of a nest, like a 1 2 1 2 1 2. So this is going to be ending only with 3 from here, right? So just forget about this one. So we're looking at the low from this low here, so that will be your other 1 and 2, and this 5 waves up from here, sorry, this one is here, this 5 waves up in the red, therefore might possibly only ending 3 from here. So 1 2 3, and it will continue to go higher and higher and higher since it is an S. So that's something to consider about. And so it is not really bearish, right? It doesn't look bearish to me. It is a high, looking pretty good. And again, in the shorter cycle, we like it higher against 77.91 at minimum, one more leg, but most likely we're going to continue to see more upside since this one seems to be a bit too short in size as well as time to finish with 5 immediately here. All right, so that's the idea here for today. And as always, if you want to get more updates on FTSE or any other indices, you can subscribe to our 14-day trial. The link is in the description of the video. And if you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe our channel to get more updates on Elliott Wave of various different instruments. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.